All right, so I'm outside of a Dollar Tree, and I have never actually been inside of this store in my entire life, and apparently everything is $1, so I'm gonna go inside and see what they have. I don't know if there's anything to resell or anything to use for your business, but I don't know. I'm curious. Let's go inside. There it is, getting ready to go inside. Everything is $1. Everything is $1. Let's go take a look. All right, we're starting in the back corner. And so if you're gonna wash clothes for, like, you know, reselling or whatever, this would probably be a good $1 investment. Keep your expenses down. Really good idea. Not for your personal clothes maybe, but for other clothes. And then here in this aisle, they have like lint cleaners, which don't know how well these would work, but something that you could probably, you know, lint brushes, lint cleaners, you could stock for $1 and have them in case you needed them. And then storage bags for $1, 2 for $1, 50 cents each. A little expensive. You can buy these in bulk online. Packs of clothespins. No comment. More storage bags, laundry bags, all kinds of stuff you could use. They've got my favorite little picker tool. You can reach into the Goodwill outlet into the bins and pick stuff. Look, it's got the end on it, and you squeeze the little handle and it grabs stuff. If you're at the outlet and you don't want to dig, there you go. I'm not sure if this is like the O.J. Simpson do-it-yourself kit or like the Dexter kit, but we've got like gloves and masks and tie cables and tools and hacksaws. This aisle scares me a little, just a little. Or if you're going to the outlet, you could wear these. See? Probably need all of this for the outlet. Probably not the charger I'd want to use on my phone. Not gonna lie. So I actually need one of these because in the video you saw of me trying to burn that fake Robert Graham, ours was out, so I probably should buy this. I think I'm gonna get one. I'll get it right before I'm gonna leave though. Now obviously you wouldn't buy these here because 2 for $1 is 50 cents each. You can get these online bulk for like 10 cents each or 5 cents each, so wouldn't do that. But some other decent office supplies, sticky pads, sticky notes, things you might need, Sharpies, highlighters. Receipt books, guys, for those of you that are trying to keep receipts for yard sale fines. Let me find them. I don't know if they have them, but it's going to be something like this, but you can get them at Walmart. Folders for keeping tax receipts, keeping your physical receipts if you don't put them into your phone. Tape, scissors, everything you might need for the office. Cheap here. Could definitely do it. Calculator. Look, here is 2 poster boards, 2 for $1. Good size. You could use these for flat lays. Look at that. That quick you can get a poster board, 2 for $1. Instant flat lay background. Obviously not the best brands of batteries, but for testing electronics, certainly could stock up on a few of these. Or for selling them to customers so you can put the batteries included instead of not included. Cheap investment if you have a nice electronic. Those of you resellers and entrepreneurs that have, single entrepreneurs that have friends in other towns where you need to keep toothbrushes, you can get yourself one. Not a bad spot to grab like cough drops for $1. We all get sore throats at some point during the year. Buy them, stick them in the closet and keep them. Not bad. Really? This is a thing at Dollar Tree for $1? Are they for real? It's right next to the pregnancy test. You can also test if you're having a baby or if you're high. Hey look, they sell my drink at the store. Not really, I don't even drink Rockstar. I drink Red Bull and Monster, but you can get some Rockstar. You can get a little bit of me at your Dollar Tree. And you guys remember these things that in like elementary and middle school, these were like gold. This was like tradable money, these things. Especially the crackers.
Mike, back up, please.
They have like some awesome orange goof off cleaner for like those sticky labels on electronics or something like that. $1. Probably would work well. You have to test it. We'll have to see. If you're plugging in those Limo Studio lights, your computer, you need an extra set here, 3. Pretty good. As much as I use this stuff, I should probably have like 20 of these things in my house. No kidding. It's fix-it-all glue. That's a pretty good price too for $1. So some pretty interesting things inside of a Dollar Tree. I've never been inside this store ever, but everything is $1, which is pretty cool. You could get some decent stuff out of here. Even some reseller stuff. Obviously it's not your first, you know, prime choice of like quality everything, but some decent stuff, I got to admit. Some things I would probably buy and stock in my house if I came in here regularly, and maybe I will. I don't know. It's a little bit from my house, but if you guys have one near you, it might be worth checking out. You never know. Especially that white paper for backgrounds if you need some. It's a quick fix to some ugly photos you guys have, and you know who I'm talking about. So a couple people emailed me to ask if I had ever been in Dollar Tree, and of course the answer was no. I've never been inside that store, at least not as an adult or that I can recall. If you guys want to email me or message me or comment down below, you can actually comment down below would be better. With stores you'd like me to, you know, stop in, if there's thrifting stores or like, you know, if you want me to go to Hobby Lobby or somewhere just to see what kind of stuff they have, if you have one in your city or you don't have one, and you think I might have it, Tampa has pretty much everything within a half an hour of me. If I don't have it, I'll just let you know we don't have it. But if we do have it, I'll be happy to stop in and do a little video like this one for you guys to check out, because quite a few, it's surprising. Probably 3 or 4 people just in the last month or so had asked me if I'd been into like the dollar stores and Dollar Trees if I ever went into them, and no, I don't. So it was interesting to go in there. It was fun to go in there and check out what they had. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, comment section if there's somewhere you want me to check out and film it for you and show you. I'd be happy to do it, as long as we have it in this area. If you don't know, you can look up Tampa, Florida, you know, in the name of the store and just see if there's one within like a half an hour of here. If so, I'll give it a consideration. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you come back to this channel 9 p.m. Thursday. If you're watching this video, that's tonight. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the live show. We're gonna wrap up the week, talk about everything, and I'd love to have you guys join me. Just make sure you go to the top right corner of your YouTube, sign in with your Gmail, and you will be able to participate in the chat, which will pop up at 9 p.m. on the right-hand side. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you then.